Yeah, we will see how we can use the mdpython library to compare directories. I will first walk through the output. So this is the output that is generated. So it will first list the files which are present only in the first directory. Then so these are the files which are present only in the first directory. Then it will list the files which are present only in the second directory, and in the output it will print the directory name, so that is easier for us to compare. So this file is present only in the second directory but not in the first directory. Then it will list down the directories which are present only in the first directory. So these will recursively look at all the different directories, and if it is present only in the first and not in second, it will list down. And here also the complete directory name is given, so it is easier to analyze the output. Then it will list down the directories which are present only in second directory, and for files which are present in both directories, so basically the common files, it will check whether the files are same or different. So it depends on what files we have to compare. Here I have provided the extension as py, so it will only check for py files, and we can pass an array py, txt, whatever extensions we want, we can pass them. So for now I have given py, so this is the list of py files, and these are the same, so content is same in both the directories. And if the content is different, so here is the main advantage of this package. So if the contents are different for py file, here it will mention the file name, so lib/calchelper.py. Here it mentions the complete directory path, the first directory which is result underscore 9th. Here it mentions the second directory 9th underscore v2, and within the directory this file is present but the contents of the files are compared like this. So if you see the first directory, in the first directory for lib/calchelper.py we have this function get underscore grade, but that is not present in the second directory. So you can quickly get to know what are the differences. So here is a difference report. Similarly here val is 0 and val is 10. So one more good thing about this is you can directly jump to the next difference. So if I click on n, it will take me to the next difference, which is over here, val is 0. And if I take t is stop, it will take to the first difference in the file. Okay, and this is another file libexportmarks.py. This is different in both the directories. The contents of this file are different, and we can quickly basically do analysis of whether the files are same, and if they are different, then what is the difference. Now let us look at the code. It is a pretty simple code. We import the compare module. So from mdpython.fileutils import compare, and then we provide the two directories which we need to compare. So the left directory and the right directory. So these are the two directories which will be compared, and then we say generate HTML report and we provide the file name. So when we run this program, we will get the HTML report which we just now saw. So now if you want to do some programmatic changes, then that is also very well possible. So it provides 4 attributes. After we compare the directories, it will provide 4 attributes cmp dot. So these are the 5 attributes: files only in target, files only in right, files only in left, dirs only in left, and dirs only in right. And all of these elements, they are arrays of path from pathlib module. Okay, so you can use all the functionalities which are provided by the path class. For example, if you want to say files only in right, if you want to display the contents of the files, okay, which are present only in the right directory but not in left, and we have to look only for python files, so we can use all the, so you see you can use name, whatever functions are provided by path class we can use. fl.name.ends with py, okay, print fl.name, and we can also print the contents using the path read underscore text. So you see this makes comparing the directories very much easier. You see here the file name is given, which is bulk export.py, And similarly you can use all other, let me show you just one more. So if you want to say absolute, we can print the absolute path name as well over here. So you see, you get the absolute path name. So because this is provided in the form of the pathlib path objects, it is very easy to do any manipulations.